You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these medication. For more medical terms, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We have tons more coming up. Stay tuned at the end of the video. The molecule itself is pronounced as phenylephrine. 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 The brand name NeoSynephrine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.